Today in hard problem, guess the word you're given a array of unique strings word, 6 letters wrong. So one of them is a secret. Helper object master guess must be from words. -1 if it's not there. Exact matches of your guess value. This parameter allowed guesses. There's allowed guesses for each test case. You should call without exiting. You will get okay. If you called with the okay, I mean, this seems a bit stupid, but I mean, it has many likes and few comments, so I guess it's interesting. I mean, it's 8:46, so this was probably around before Wordle, which I'm playing a bit. So secret is this, we don't have that. We have some allowed guesses, which we don't even know. We have 10 to 30 allowed guesses and 100 words. I mean, you can easily probably filter. So all words are unique. Interesting. Well, you cannot even ask for every word in the list. That sucks. Whew, okay, that's tough. That is tough. I mean, I guess there could be words with no matches. I mean, that's, having a no strategy at all. Because let's say we ask any word we ask. We have to ask the words that are in the list. So we ask any word, and what information does it give us? Like, let's say we ask this word and it gives us, well, there is 3 matches. ZZ and second C. So CZZ and CBA is wrong because it's supposed to be ACK. So that's a good question. Well, we could go character by character. What if all words are I mean, then you guess it immediately. If all words are different, but these are good. I don't know. That sucks, I guess. With reasonable strategy. Well, what could be a reasonable strategy? What if I check? This gives me the number of matches. I mean, that would be deadly if we just pick the numbers with no matches. Oh, that means that we can eliminate 6 letters actually. So some of those are in there. So let's say this gets 3 matches, and then we would check similarity with other words. Does that even help with anything? I'm not sure. I really don't know. Maybe if we draw a graph from this, maybe that can lead us anywhere. Make a fully connected graph, and then maybe that could work. That's not a bad idea, I think. So let's say we make a graph, fully connected graph. There is 4 words in there. So A, C, C, K, Z, Z, C, B, C, C, B, A, Z, Z, E, I, O, V, Z, Z, A, B, C, C, Z, Z. Okay. Now the first 2 have 1, 1, so they have 3. Second and third have 2. These 2 have 2. These 2 have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, and CC and ABC have 1, 2. I guess. So let's say I ask for something and it gives me 3. Well, then I immediately know which one it is. If it's 2, so let's say it would say 2. Well, it could be well, if I ask this word and it's 2, then it could be this one, or this one. Okay, well, let's say could be any of those 3. So let's say I ask for this. How many edges with 4? This guy, but there could be multiple such edges. Not sure if that's the best strategy. Could be like WWWWWZ. This is 1. And then this is 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So then, okay, I ask for this one, it's 3, we know. If I ask for this one and it's 2, then can be this one, or this one, or this one. Well, let's pretend it's this guy. So we asked for this guy. That would say 4. How can we decrease the information to 2? I'm not sure if you can always finish it. Let's try this. I will think I will go for Python, but my thinking is making a fully connected graph. It's going to Python 3. So that's the master. And I guess we can have candidates. Let's call solve. I guess. Can you always go through the graph like this? Couldn't you be stuck in a cycle? I mean, you could try all options, but I'm not sure, because if I make a fully connected graph and everyone has a distance of 2, then I go into a random guy, and then into a random guy, and then into, like, if I make a you know, I could traverse at worst everyone. So if I have like ABB, AB, which has 2, then I have 2 for this, which is BA, AB, which is also 2 with this one. And I could pick, okay, let's get this. So let's do BABA, but this will not have anything similar with this one. BABA, 2 and 2, and then well, I could start here, and it says Oh well, it's 2 away, so I go here. Oh, that's 2 away too. Oh, that's 2 away too. And if I have 5 guesses and everything is 2 away, I'm not sure if that will work, but I cannot prove anything about the solution, nothing. So let's say we have the candidates. We also have guessed. We build a graph, so G default dict list for W in words, for W2 in words, if V doesn't equal V2, def compare st return sum of si ti for I in range 1s, I guess, and then gv push back v2 compare dv2. Maybe I could store the weight gv2 push back v and weight. Then I have this graph. So my candidates are, well, everything, so set words, and then master, so guessed is nothing, so empty set. For C in candidates, and then we try to G is master guess C. And now we want to go through all edges outgoing, so that will be guessed add candidate, guessed remove C, solve we need to have new candidates for neighbor weight in G something, if candidate if len candidate is 1, return list candidate 0, otherwise so we add to guest new candidates are what? If weight is G, then new candidates add neighbor, and then result, if result, return result, new candidates guessed, I guess. Let's return empty. I have no clue if this will even work. This is like, oh, this is Python, so I have to use append. And this is list is not subscriptable. What the hell? Print cgc default dict list. What's even G? What is not subscriptable? What are you talking about? I Did not print anything yet. Oh, yes. So either you took two allowed guesses. What the hell? Print candidates guessed. So first all are candidates and no guess. So I guessed this. As is this. Well, what we do? As is this, and we return if ans return. So we do solve if ans return. We don't return anything. Okay, I mean, what do you mean as is not defined? Local is not a keyword. What are you talking about, bro? I mean, it's confused a bit, but runtime error. Stupid Python, bro. Not sure why that didn't work though. The way it was before. Okay, so that's some strategy. I'm not sure if it will work at all. This is extremely random. It didn't pass anything. What? I have that case and it suddenly doesn't pass. I mean, it should not pass. What the hell? What do you mean too many guesses? Print CGS and that's it. So I asked once. What? What do you mean too many guesses? Oh, because I have to ask it. Master guess, result, return result. That's the problem. Okay, let's see. Probably too many guesses in some cases. Memory limit exceeded. It's not great. And here I did, what the hell? Probably I should not do that. Use test case, boom. It's gonna hit me with memory limit exceeded again? What? That sucks. If I remove all this, Does it run? Okay, it runs, but what do you mean memory limit exceeded? Can you like uncomment? This is so stupid. Well, that didn't really reduce the number of guesses, I guess. Maybe we can do it like this. Guesses at this, whatever. Runtime error guessed. This is gonna get memory error again, or gonna be too snarky. Okay, memory limit exceed. Why? Candidates. Maybe. Is this my first candidates? These are second candidates. Isn't it the same? Sorted list candidates. Art stack. Those are absolutely the same candidates. Is it increasing or I am just making this up? What the hell? Print guess candidates GS new candidates. So we guess this and the match is 0. Well, if they have nothing in common, how can I guess it? What the hell? I mean, there is way more of them. Well, you want to pick the guys that have something in common, I guess. I don't know, maybe we can order by how to order them. This is doing too many requests. I don't understand why. How deep is the recursion, bruh? I'm going for 30 minutes already. I'm never getting sleep today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 20. What the hell is this? What? Why did it not stop me sooner? What? Allowed guesses is 10? Well, clearly this is not a good strategy because it doesn't work. Does this try all words? There is not even that many words, bruh. There's 100 words. Why are you guessing the same shit all over again? If C in guess continue. Okay, that's better. Okay, so now it took too many guesses. That's more understandable. It would be for reasonable strategy. That is the stupidest thing I've ever seen. What are the comments? Well, what if there are multiple words? Well, there could be multiple compo. I mean, it doesn't make sense because if you have 10 guesses and 100 words and they don't have anything similar, you are cooked. I mean, let's say it's possible, but let's say we have some components, and what if you start in a bad component? Let's say you make a fully you will not make fully connected, maybe, because some edges are not gonna be there. So why do I pick the worst problems every time? I mean, I understand this, but didn't this Kubica guy make glitches? Or am I tripping? I picked the worst questions every single time. Every single time I give random questions in past 2 weeks, I got absolute shit fuckery. To do that, we simulate guessing each word. Ah, great. Did not say anything. I don't know, man. I mean, let's say because these are clearly not connected, so you can pick anything and so if its answer is 0, we eliminate every single vertex in its component, I guess. So I guess if the answer is okay, that might have reduced it a bit, but okay, we cut to something here. That's better, but still too many questions. So if GS is 0, yo. Let's see how many yo-yos we get. Yo. Okay, so okay. I guess we can do DFS. Who cares? I mean, if it has 0 with that, would it have non-zero? Could it even? This would have like a C in the fourth one, and then it would have W everywhere, then it would have 1 with this guy and 0 with this guy, so this edge wouldn't exist. It could still be in this component. What if I bring the components? Yeah. Let's do vertex, visited is set, for W in words, if W not in this at W. What do I know? BFSW this at V for you wait. Oh, if wait GB, if not this U, DFSU, I guess. And then we want to print components. So let's do this. If U not in this, this is first giant component. Everything is in a single component. What the hell? How is candidate 0 after all of these guesses? So what we guessed is C, maybe. So I have no clue what I'm even outputting. So this is the list of candidates. Then there is 0, set 100, 0, we guess Nivek, and nothing. Why nothing? I don't know. So if well, what about weight 0? I guess I should hit them then. Oh, maybe that will help with something. No, that's suddenly too much. Okay. Oh my days. Why is candidates growing? What the fuck? Zero, 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 zero. So I guess this. Are you kidding me? You wanna tell me when there is... This is guessed. And if I guess this, the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. The list gets bigger? What? I'm gonna puke. Something is wrong and I cannot debug this because this is the worst test case of all time. Please give me some better test case. Well, I mean, if it tells me that it's 0 way, what can I eliminate? Nothing. Roger, to line of candidate triggers I have cooked. Lenkan, maybe. Lenkan. How did candidates grow? Then it's 17, then it's 15, then it's 72. What? They should be filtered. No, new candidates is just candidates. So say I have candidate is everyone. I guess one guy, and then who is suddenly in the candidates? Well, everyone who is not in GC really, because I guess this guy, and he says I am 5 away, so I want everyone who is 5 away from what? Then candidates are both ends of edges that for vector in G for this neighbor in GV, I don't know. So if the weight is the same, and so no. If this, if neighbor not, if W not in guest, and can add W, maybe like this. Okay, 198, 99. Well, that's awesome. Do you want to tell me there? I mean, with 0 it's tough, because you are basically guessing edges. Well, if the guess is 0, then let's any of the neighbors into the candidates, maybe. I'm not sure that would work. How do I eliminate most of the nodes? How do I even eliminate nodes? So you can have like A and A, B, and then you can have like C, 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 D. And if the distance is 0, then we cut the component, but they could be in the same component. Like A, B, C, B, maybe. And if I guess that and it says that I'm far 0, then what do I do? I don't know. I just move in the graph, I guess. It could give way better examples. I'm right in 5 cases, but that's still not enough, because the zeros make problems. If GS is 0, then what? I don't know, we move along the edge. I have no clue. Neighbor weight in G, C, and can I set if doesn't equal 0, and can add neighbor. It should be added here, and neighbor not in guest, and then result solve and can I plus 1. Oh, suddenly this is also wrong. I submit, what happens now? 5 out of 13. I have no clue, like how do I even solve this? How do I solve this? Really is a complete graph. This is the worst problem of all time, and there is not even an editorial. Test case. More hints. To do one, what you can do. I mean a graph. If our guess is very different from the rest, this is not the let's pick a random thing. This guy was writing about some hints, but given a guess and an output, how can I eliminate an option? What is the one I guessed if it's not 6? If I pick something, 100, and that's it. Then I just with 198. What the hell? That's a little suspicious, don't you think? But it's not enough. 99, 99, 99. Everything is 99, so this is fully connected. How is that possible? Let's see. Okay, that's better. So we got some graph. So I calculated all similarities. Wait. If I calculate all similarities, let's say which one would eliminate most options. If I pick this vertex, then what does it eliminate? Well, I know the distance is 0, it's not even there. I have no clue. I have no clue, but in this post, this Lee guy is insane. What am I opening even? Get the matches of this word. The same matches to take a word, get matches of this one, update word list and keep only the same matches to our guess. What do you mean same matches? So words that have guess a random word, minimax, result analysis. Why would you eliminate collections counter? understand. What's the second solution? If for ij in zip gets w, so you go for the word and sum of okay, and if it's equal to x. Why would I only take the ones that have I'm not sure why that even would work. We will get 0 matches from. As a result, the size of word list reduces slowly. Recall that some math here. The fewest 0 matched with other words. So let's say I make a solution. Case is words, and then what the fuck? One case doesn't pass. All cases pass. I'm not sure why this works, because this has no logic at all. have 80% chance to eliminate the count as well as its close words which are, but why should I, if I'm two away, I should pick all the words that are two away from me? What if there is some other word that is two away on completely different characters? I'm never gonna get there, and the answer is mostly gonna be 0. So what if it's 0? Well, then I move all guys that have 0, and I want to remove all guys that have 0, so guess it's not gonna be random, so I count is like how does he implement it? I don't know. Default dict if match wguess def match st return sum of I equals j for ij in zip st equals to x for word in words for word 2 in words if match, I don't know, if match vw now let's make this is empty. Guess or send w is less than send guess w, and then match. Okay, infinite cycle, that's great. Now there is no word, I guess, so if not guess this should pass most of the time. This is slow, but number of guesses is low, so this is the worst problem. I keep saying this every day. It's just I'm never gonna, like, I don't have luck at all, so I used all my luck of getting fiance I have, and that's it, because that's crazy. Worst problem. I keep choosing random hard problems and I keep getting the worst ones. Anyways, when we guess a word, we want we reduce the candidate list to words when we guess a word, and the master answer is X with the words that have similarity of X with the guessed word. We keep iterating until we get to, so it's always guessable, and apparently it should not take many guesses. It passes most of the time, I guess. We keep iterating until we get to x equal to 6. Speed this up, we can note that most of the master answers will be 0. So ideally we want to guess a word which has the least similarity neighbors with similarity 0. That way we eliminate the most. We decrease the least the most. List of candidate words the most. Time complexity O and squared, I guess, since we compare all candidate words with each other at in each iteration, and there will be constant number of iterations. Space complexity, I guess ON, since we store the candidate words, but we don't actually use anything extra, so since we store the counts of 0 similarity neighbors for at most ON edges. Remark: how do I always pick the worst? How does Leetcode always pick the worst problems for me when picking randomly? I'm sick of this. I'm sick of this stupid website.